Welcome! Today we would like to show you the path to a safe machine. My name is Andreas Glasenapp. I am Business Development Manager for Safety Solutions at Lloyd's. Do you know how safe your machine or system is? Even if no safety issues have occurred so far, this does not mean a guarantee for the future. Or are you developing a new machine that needs a safe design? In both cases, the question is, what is the path to a safe machine? This overview shows the essential steps and the sequence. Let's take a closer look at each step. For systems in operation, the necessity of a more detailed examination has to be realized first. Usually, the EHS manager is doing this. An external company can support here with a status check. In the design process of machines, the risk assessment is specified by standards and is therefore part of it. The detailed investigation begins with the risk assessment. First, all hazards have to be identified. Then, the risk caused by the hazards are evaluated, and finally, the measures for risk reduction are defined. The risk assessment has to be executed and documented by a competent person. Let's take a look at an example. Here we see a multi-track gravity conveyor that provides pallets. These are fed in by a transfer shuttle. In practice, different hazards can occur around the transfer shuttle and in the area behind. The result of the risk assessment shows, among others, hazards like crushing and shearing. For risk reduction, an access guarding across the entire width of the conveyor is planned. Based on the results of the risk assessment, the safety requirements have to be specified. They are the basis for the development of the safety concept and the appropriate system architecture. Implementation begins with the selection of adequate hardware components and continues with the programming of a control system. Important here is a safe development process by means of the 4 I's principle with reviews, verification and validation at system level. The development also includes the preparation of documentation such as operating manual, declaration of conformity and CE marking. Then commissioning starts. Here the correct integration into the overall system is very important. Correct alignment and parameterization of the sensors have to be considered as well. The final step is the validation of the application. This means the safety functions, previously defined in the specification, are tested in real operation and the results are documented. How does this look like now for our conveyor example? Here we have implemented the requirements in a Lloyd's safety solution. This makes your life easier because all steps of the path to a safe machine are handled by us. Our solution is monitoring the access to the hazardous area continuously and seamlessly, even during outfeed of the pallets. This means for you full productivity of the plant and best protection against bypassing. An installed and validated solution may look like this. Here we have seen one solution example of many. With our solutions, we help you to realize your requirements easily and with less effort. We will be happy to accompany you on your path to a safe machine with our services and solutions for operators, manufacturers and integrators.